All right, let's do our fun little room tour. So as you come in here, we'll show you the closets in a minute, but you come in, and as you can see, you have a little desk area here. There are drawers under the desk area, so you'll see those. You also have a little fridge here to help if you bring anything back to your room. I have some sodas and stuff that I got delivered, so we will put some of those in there, as you can see up here. They do give you water, but it's not free unless you get free water or you paid for it. Those are ones that you can buy. There are a ton of outlets, which you would expect. It's a brand new cruise ship. So you got 3 American outlets here. You got USB, you got 4 USB slots here, USB-A slots. There you have your lights here. You got this nice mirror. Then we got the big TV over there, which is awesome. And then you got your really nice bed here. So we got our bed. I got my luggage up here, getting ready to unpack. On each side of the bed, you're going to notice you have a little light there, like reading lights, and a USB-A there. And then you have lights, switches in the middle of your bed there, which I heard Jay on the Ship Life talk about, that he hits them during the night, which I could definitely see happening. But they're there for, I guess, for convenience, so you don't have to lean over. Then you have, I'm in a balcony, so you have this really nice sofa here that pulls out into another kind of queen size bed there, which is really nice. Really nice decor in here. It's very bright. The closet space is very big. I'm going to open it. So as you can see here with the closet space, you have plenty of hangers and room for hanging. More hangers and hanging space here. You then have these little drop-down benches here that you could use as storage if you would like to. You have a safe here that you could use for your iPad or whatever you need it for. And then you have bins down here, and then you have a really cool little shoe cart down there for shoes, which is very nice as well. In our other storage space here, you have a full-length mirror, which is very nice. You also have tons of hanging space, and then more of those little fold-down benches that you can use, and then plenty of space here for your suitcase. I have my backpack in there. That is it for that. In the bathrooms, you know, typical cruise ship, tiny little bathrooms here. Very nice though. One thing is you do have a door here. There is no shower curtain, sauna. There you go. Just so you know, there are no shower curtains. It's a nice little door. Nice little shower space. That is my room. I'm in a balcony here on deck 11. So there you go. Let's check out the actual balcony itself real quick. So we're going to look out at beautiful Galveston here. And then you have a very standard balcony. And then one item of note is that since I'm on deck 11, if you look down onto like deck 8, it's a negative for the people below me, I guess, more than me, but you can see into the balconies below me. And then you can see into deck 8 there. And then into the Galveston Cruise Terminal. And the beautiful city of Galveston. It's a beautiful day today. It was freezing yesterday. Thank God it is nicer today. There you go. Thanks, everyone.